Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to talk about Stape Server. This is basically a third party that provides server. If we talk about its plan, you can see it gives free plan for 10,000 requests. That is an amazing thing. If the traffic exceeds to 50,000, then it will charge you $20. Comparatively, it is a cheaper and budget friendly option. Like as compared to Google Cloud. First of all, you must have an account on Stape. Let me show you. I already have my account over there. Let's start with the free plan. So I have to move to Google Tag Manager and create a new container. So here I have to write a name for my container. I'm writing Stape Server Demo. Click on Server and create. Next I will click on Manual Provision and copy the configuration, move to Stape account and paste it over here like this. Give a name to your container and server location will be selected by default. So here I have to go with the free plan. Next you can see our server is created. Next down there you can see the domain. You can either add a first party domain, copy the domain and change it to global. Next move to Tag Manager and click on admin. Next we have to move to settings. Here paste the server container URL and save it. So it is added over here. Now let's move to workspace. In clients you can see no browser is visible here. So for connecting the browser we have to move to our app, click on edit, select your server and select the tagging URL, save it. So it's saved. Here our job is done. Now I have to move to Tag Manager. Let me reload this page. Here you can see infinite web container is displayed over here. Version will be created automatically, otherwise you can simply click on submit and write its name and submit. Publish. Now whatever data comes from client, it will be integrated with the server. Make sure your preview will be visible from here. Click on variants. Here in live variants, click on preview. As my ad blocker is also installed, along with it the conversions will get tracked. So here I have to perform some activity in my online store. You can see extension is connected, that is Tag Assistant Companion. Connect it, and here I am adding my product to cart. You can see page view, add to cart and begin checkout is tracked. Like these tags are fired. So likewise your all events will get fired in the same way. Stape is a special to work with Google Tag Manager. This makes Stape a good choice for businesses that are already using GTM and that are looking for a simple and affordable way to implement server-side tracking. It is quite a budget-friendly option. So I hope you have got the idea how to use this Stape server to Google Tag Manager, and I hope you will enjoy the experience. Do share your feedback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.